sure you've all had a chance to play with four-wheel drive, but we want to make sure that you've taken time to understand the various controls. All cars have a placard here with warning information. It's imperative that we don't drive in four-wheel drive on bitumen or hard road surfaces. It causes torque wind-up in the drivetrain, can lead to snapped axles, gearboxes, transfer case failure, all sorts of horrendous, expensive damage. So keep it on the bitumen in 2 high. Only when we go onto the soft stuff do we go to 4 high. If we're going to shift to 4 high before we get there, we only do it in a straight line, not while we're turning. As we said before, and I can't emphasize this enough, there's fuel stations in Bribie Island. Fill up before you get to our meeting point. Okay, some people are going to have factory accessories such as a snorkel. They're really great tools, but you don't need them. We're not going to go driving through deep water or do anything that's going to bring you unstuck. But what we do want you to do is have a good look under the bonnet before you come out. If it's yellow, check it first. Make sure you're full of coolant while the engine's nice and cool. Make sure your brake fluid and your clutch, that they're all fine. Preventative maintenance is everything. Driving on the beach, it's a lot more stressful on the components. You'll use more fuel. There's a lot more drag. It's kind of like a boat in the water. So what we want you to do is dot your I's, cross your T's, make sure you're prepared. If you're not sure, take it to your local Mahindra dealer. They'll ensure it's serviced and in tip-top condition to come out and enjoy a day on the beach with us. Okay, and this is why we're doing it. The largest sand island in the world. It is the ultimate getaway. Whether you're coming on your own, coming with your mates, or bringing your family, this is all about getting back, enjoying the people that purchase the same calibre of vehicle that you do. You get to hang out and have a beer and enjoy a feed in the game of cricket with Australian cricket star Matty Hayden. And we've even made food and catering simple for you by bringing a chef along. All you have to do is pay for the food that he's going to cook you, and everything else is provided. Mahindra's paid for your barge fees, your permit fees. There's over $200 in value there, and we've organised a variety of accommodation from single beds and queen size beds to you can go camping on the beach. It's all up to you. We're really looking forward to seeing you there. We've got less than 2 weeks in our countdown. Any questions, just phone us, email us, contact your Mahindra dealer. We'll always have the answer for you. We look forward to seeing you soon.